Oh yeah. Are we vlogging? We're at Point Reyes.
Technically no, but kind of, but yes.
We're near Point Reyes.
No, I think this is also, actually no, you're right. I think this is considered Point Reyes National Seashore.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Oh, and the trees and everything. There it is. Point Reyes. Right there. Peninsula. Water.
All right. Cheers. Very lemony.
Which I don't mind.
I think it's like the taste is good.
It's way better than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, honestly, I was kind of like.
way better. I had low expectations. Oh, some like pretty big waves.
Holy crap.
Oh my lord. We have made it. Alright. Today we have made butternut dal bat. That's how you say it?
Yeah.
And what is this? Chicken pesto pasta.
Chicken pesto
Classic.
pasta.
I think they're ready. Oh, I think it looks perfect.
Oh, can you tell? Here, wait. Oh, there.
Ah.
Yeah. Very nice.
And then pasta.
The reveal. Oh.
It's tight, bro.
Yeah, I sealed that up.
It's a little. This one looks more. I can't tell.
We'll see. We'll see. That's about what I would expect from chicken pesto pasta.
Honestly, yeah.
Like about
This one's okay.
on par.
Yeah, what I was expecting. You like it? That one I like.
Yeah. This one would be really good with like a side of like bread or something. If we had brought that, if we didn't eat it all in the parking lot. The vlog continues. Today at Point Reyes Station, hot chocolate. Oh, hey.
we go.
I'm trying to bring my stick in here.
What the You're like a dog.
I was just carrying it. I just forgot. I don't know if the clicking.
Ow.
Are you actually sleeping with my alarm off?
Oh yeah. Show off your fancy oatmeal.
That's what it smells like. It smells pretty regular. Caffeinate the GoPro.
Creamer. I don't know how much.
Full send.
I think that's way too much.
What does it taste like?
I don't know.
Off we go. So. Happy birthday.
Surprise.
Surprise.
We're at Point Reyes Station. And it is Saturday and they have a farmer's market today that we're gonna check out and then grab some coffee. Samples.
I don't have persimmons that often, but these are good.
Persimmons are good.
They're so sweet. What do you think? I've been really enjoying this fall. It's like we're not just...
We got a salmon onigiri.
Yeah.
Comes with edamame. Thanks. Grilled cheese. Wow. Cheese pull.
And the salad looks crazy.
Whoa, what the? What is it? What even are these? Alright, first bite.
Cheers.
Okay, update. The grilled cheese is pretty good, but this salad, I'll go crazy.
One of the best salads I've had.
I agree.